But here's the twist.
This new economic reality, the whole repair, don't replace idea, seems to be absolutely booming.
It really is.
People are keeping their cars way longer. The average age I read is a record 12.8 years.
That's the average, yeah. And for passenger cars alone, it's 14.5 years. Incredible.
Incredible. And the reason seems pretty obvious, right? New cars are, what, over $48,000 on average?
Easily.
Yeah.
And even used cars, a 3-year-old model, still looking at over $30,000.
So for an independent shop listing right now, this basically means more out of warranty work. A lot more. Coming right through your doors.
But here's the twist. While that demand is strong, the cost of doing the repairs is surging. Think about maintenance and repair costs overall. They've jumped almost 25% just from early 2022 to the middle of 2024.
Wow, 25%.
And then you add in the supply chain headaches, part shortages. That's the #1 challenge shops are reporting. It's forcing, I think the number was 54.1% of shops to buy more private label parts. Parts branded by the retailer, not the OEM, just to keep cars moving. And then critically, there's this acute crisis, technician shortage. It's huge. We need something like 470,000 new techs by 2028. A lot of that is just replacing people who are retiring.
So that directly limits how much work a shop can even take on. It caps your revenue potential right there.